Hello friends, just look at this mega cool project. Luxury James Bond-style speedboat shaped like a Corvette that flies across water at 62 miles per hour and feels like a real car. Corvette and 720 body frames have been retrofitted on jet skis driving, or sailing, around Dubai's waterways, making tourists look as cool as James Bond. Since 2021, the original water supercars have been created by Jetcar Dubai, a UAE company that rents boats and jet skis. They were designed by Egyptian designer Karim Amin. The boats are already being offered to everyone for $700 an hour and are selling for $40,000. The boats replicate the 7th generation Corvette and the McLaren 720s. The design of the boats exactly repeats the famous sports models, Chevrolet Corvette C7 and C8, Ferrari 488 and McLaren Elva. The bodies are made from fiberglass. The salon is also made in the spirit of supercars. From a technical point of view, marine supercars are no different from conventional sports boats. The water jet propulsion allows them to accelerate to about 100 km per hour. Since the wheels are fake, the boats are not amphibious and cannot move on land. The creators of the boats are not going to stop there and will soon expand their range. The plans are to create marine copies of Aston Martin, Bentley and Bugatti. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, there will be many more interesting things.